niggas is tight. Don't need day, should've made it right. Josh dead, he was my son, but he picked them K, should've picked the pipe. Ace had luck, it was before I was banging at him, should've been with the safe. It's been love, but I'm banging the max for the jet. Better get out the way and take flight. We dove for the jet, but we landed the jet. They know how we get for both of the bros, like V-Fro. Bodie was handing the belt, so house for ducking his foe. Kelly the Davo, we let the dango pop to the top, and he had to get low. 6'4" kid to keep choking on 4 wheels, I'm already dough. Where the fuck did he go? Oh, wait, down with the pain. Like, they should've worked on their aim. Freakers gon' flip for yourself in the frame. Thunder crash, no GCA. Like, why do they think it's a game? Quad to the flip, into the frame, drop the L, my gun, cause them niggas is lame. Glitch, I'ma flip like Dame. Took the bus to the neck with a bowie and Grinch mode. Hoodie down, just holding your pistol. Long live, knew we can never forget you. The Mac that we see me to front of the pistol. Bullets is fast, coming like missiles. The beam with a G, ain't no way I can miss you. 2-3 so better know who to run. If you make a wrong turn with a bow, we gon' bench you. Bow in the spot with the Mac and a punch on. With the sky for the rays to get punked on. With the 8 for the train get dunked on. Not trying to slide up before I get the fuck on. Brim up this, brim up that. Nigga, I ain't saying brim up nothing. Not prime time, not on my time. If you out with the Mac, nigga, then you a bucket.